Welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Now today I have an exciting promotional project to go over with you. It's a project I've been following along with for a few months now. I'm very happy to be working with. You probably heard of this project yourself. They're always trending in the top 10 on Dex Tools. So without further ado, which project is it? MAGA Trump coin. Here's the website, MAGATrumpETH.com. What are they? Well, as it sounds like, they are the first and only cryptocurrency to support Trump in his legal charade and inevitable 2024 presidential victory. There's Trump dancing himself. Here's the contract address. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. It is an ERC20 token. Now, what makes the project unique is that part of the buy and sell tax will go to some charities, and then part will actually go to Donald Trump himself. So here's the breakdown. 1% buy tax, 1% sell tax. It's already very low. It's good. It's what you want to hear. Of the 1%, half will go to the team's marketing and development expenses. The other half will be split amongst three different places: a child rescue charity, a U.S. veterans charity, and Donald Trump himself. And then right now, and there's receipts and blockchain transactions to back all this up, they've already donated $60,000 USD to those different charities in the Trump. So about $28,000 went to Trump himself. $28,000 has gone to the U.S. veterans, the Disabled American Veterans Association, that's the charity. And then about $3,000 has gone to Operation Underground, which helps children in need. That's another charity right there. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering, okay, well, how do you know that? How are they donating actually to Donald Trump? How's that working? Are they just saying? No, there is blockchain transactions to back all this up. So this is what Donald Trump's wallet is right here. So you may remember about 2 months ago, some digital sleuths with this group called Arkham. They detected what they believe is Donald Trump's wallet. It's this right here, and it aligns pretty much exactly with his tax returns and his financial statements, the coins that he says that he holds. The wallet has between $2.5 and $3 million, and it's mostly in ETH, a little bit of Matic, not too much Bitcoin. I guess he's not a huge Bitcoin fan, but this is widely believed to be his wallet right here. So then if you look it up, so here's the contract address right here. You can copy it over from the page right there. And if you look, here are the weekly transactions coming from this project. So like right here, 0.2 ETH from MAGA Trump Fund ETH. That's this project here. Into Trump's wallet himself. Last week, the week before, was 0.35 ETH in this wallet, 0.3 ETH the week before. So once a week, they send out the distributions to Trump's wallet. You can see it all right on the blockchain here. It's great, fully transparent. That's what you like to see in projects. And as for the remaining donations that go to the charitable organizations, here are the receipts right here. So like here, Disabled American Veterans, U.S. Veterans Association, 2 ETH went to their group on August 26th. Right here, there's another 2 ETH on the next day, August 27th. August 30th, another one. This was 1 ETH. And then let's go to find one for the digital. Here we go. So here's one for the helping the kids in need, Operation Underground. This one was 0.3 ETH right there on September 6th. So here are the receipts. Now let's look at the price action. So the coin has been trading for about 2 months, since August 12th, right here, right around 7 weeks. Now, the first 2 weeks, it was hovering between the $100,000 and 1 million market cap. Right here, it peaked at around 1 million market cap, but it still did have some pretty good organic traction in the beginning. I remember it did hit the top 10 trending on Dex Tools several times right after launch. So it already had a pretty big community. By no means was this coin starting from scratch. Then there was this huge pump right here around August 24th, 25th, 26th. Went all the way from a 500,000 market cap to a 6 or 7 million market cap. So at this point you should be like, wait, what was that again? It sounds kind of familiar. Yes, it was when Trump himself tweeted from his official Twitter account with 87 million followers. August 24th, he tweeted his mugshot. That alone was enough to cause a 10 to 15x, 500,000 market cap to 6 or 7 million market cap almost instantly right here. It hovered around there for quite a bit amount of time. So it's not like there was a little pump, and then if anyone wanted to exit their position, they didn't have time, it quickly retraced. No, it was here for several weeks. And of course, it lost a little bit of momentum, went down here, but this is by no means a chart that is going to zero. It's still at a very high, respective 1 million market cap. It's had a lot of pumps right here over the last couple weeks, just anytime Trump is in the news. So basically, the main advantages this price chart shows is that anytime Trump tweets, it is going to cause a pop. In fact, he hasn't tweeted since then on August 24th. That's not really a bad thing, because each tweet will have a greater impact on price. If he's tweeting every day, tweets wouldn't have a good impact on price. But if he just tweets every couple months, it's going to be a 10 to 15x every single time he tweets. Very bullish reason right there. Also, just the fact that he's in the news so much, he doesn't even have to tweet if he's in the news for something else related to the trial or the election or there's a debate coming up. You better bet this coin's gonna pump. I see a lot of projects that are very well run, but they're just about one-off events like the Super Bowl or the World Cup or some movie or award ceremony. So yeah, the coin gets a lot of attention for the month right around the events, but then the event's over, like the World Cup ends, and then unless the project pivots, it's, slowly drifts down to zero. The project's done. This project will be in everyone's forethoughts for at least the next year, 13 months until the election. And then if he wins, then it'll be another year, another 4 years afterwards. That's a hugely, hugely bullish reason and an advantage over most other projects. Dive into this a little bit more here. So liquidity, 160,000. That's pretty good. Got some trades, $1,000 trade, $800 trade, $1,100 trade, a couple trades, $2,000. So slippage isn't a problem unless you're, buying and selling 6-figure, 7-figure trades, but that's not most people. Here's a 1% buy tax, 1% sell tax. I'm going to check the audits right here. Token sniffer right here, 100 out of 100, perfect. All buzzing scores right there. Crater wallet is 0%. There are no team tokens. That is a huge advantage. Then if we go to the quick intel right here, liquidity is unlocked. It's locked for another, 15 months till January 2025, 2 months after the election. That is good. And then if he wins the election, I'm sure that they will keep that liquidity locked for a full 4 years. It wouldn't surprise me at all. What else do we have here? 0 red flags, 0 warning indicators. Now let's check out the social. So if you go to the bottom of the web page, MAGATrumpETH.com, here are the links to the Telegram group, Twitter page, etc. Now, I'm not usually a huge Telegram kind of guy, but this Telegram group, it's pretty wild. Check it out. We got some gun memes, got some Biden jokes, flags, Trump on the golf course, more guns, more flags, Trump in a night suit, Trump building the wall. This project definitely seems made for memes, which means it's made for the retail community. That's what I like to see. If you go to the Twitter page, it gets even better. So here's the Twitter page, looks to be at the bottom, MAGA Trump ETH. So here's their weekly pinned tweet where they sort of update you on the total for the charity donations, how the tax is split up, how much goes to Trump itself. So this week's tweet, it brings the total to just above $60,000 as mentioned. And here is the exact amount, the breakdown between the two charitable organizations and Trump himself. So probably the easiest way to follow along with all that is right on the Twitter page here. Let's get into some memes. We got Trump slaughtering a bear, bringing on the bull markets. It's always a good thing. What else do we have? Here we have some Twitter spaces hosted by the team. 305 people tuned in. That's pretty good. And pretty much every Twitter space is right around that 300 number for a coin with $1 million market cap. I usually see teams struggling to get 100, 150 people in the Twitter spaces. 300, that's very good. It's great grassroots organic following. And then, when Trump's name is in the media more, and then when this project really explodes, those numbers are going to explode as well. That's what I like to see. Here we have a little meme here featuring featuring Ron DeSantis. Take a listen, 20-second clip. I think that's a clip from Boys to the Hood, maybe, in one of those movies. Very funny. Got DeSantis' classic voice right there. That's what I like to see. Here's another Trump space with 280 people, as mentioned. Here's another meme right here. Biden hosting The Price is Right down at the Texas border. Come on down. Come on in. What else do we have here? Is Trump taking the lead from Biden in the polls and in the sports betting lines? There we go. So the memes have to kind of mirror sort of the leader, the head of the group. And, these nice guys, sort of wussy memes just wouldn't work. They're going to have to be a confrontational, in your face, no holds barred. So exactly what I like to see with a meme for this type of project. Anyways, that's it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this project, MAGA Trump coin. It's one I'm obviously very bullish on for all the reasons listed. Links are at the bottom. Once again, great seeing everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with a new video. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.